What's going on, y'all? Chris with NoLimitSquad, your personal isochain and fitness vlogging channel. Today we're gonna cover the OG isochain, this boy right here. And there's a reason why we should cover it. I wanted to cover this for a while now, and I believe that it does have its purpose. So let's go over what this is, how to make it, how much it costs, and why it is totally inferior to the actual isochain that we all know and love for the past 5 months. All right, guys, so with this OG isochain here, I call it the OG, the original gangster isochain, because this is what Bruce Lee used, and he was totally all about it. This is how he was able to do things like this, launch the bag into the ceiling. You know, he was able to do so many crazy things, so many ridiculous power feats for a 135-pound man. I mean, it's ridiculous, and there will be a video on just him and the isochain coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But let's go into why he was so into this and why he used this daily. Now, if you haven't seen the video, The Dragon, here's a link to it right here. You can check that out. It's exactly what he did, the whole protocol. So we're not gonna go into that today, but he used this. He used the OG isochain for it. So you can see him right there doing that bicep curl. I mean, the dude was a fanatic. So hey, if it's good enough for the Dragon, it should be good enough for us normal people, right? What you need to get started. When the pandemic hit, I was using primarily this, and I noticed a couple things. I was using this for about 4 months, and right around month 3 or 4, I started noticing a lot of crazy things. Now, I noticed things on the isochain, the regular isochain, a lot faster because of the strength feedback. But with this, there is no feedback. There is no electronic. It is just Home Depot. Costs about $45, right? This was actually the most expensive thing. It cost about $18 to $20. Just your basic chain. Your basic chain. These 2x4s were like $2 each. And these fisheye hooks were, I don't know, like $7. I just remember the whole thing costing about $45. I had 2 of these, and the one I had bent, you see this photo right here? So I bent it last year, and yeah, so I was like, okay, I think I need something a little bit more heavy duty. So yeah, ended up getting this steel cut pipe. And this was like, I don't know, like $6 to $8 or whatever. This was obviously a little cheaper. So what you do is you just hook the chain up, just like you would with the isochain. Now you have to find a snap hook that'll fit into the ChainLink. So let's just hope and pray here, as I have not used this. For quite a while, but here we go. So it fit. All right, so I broke this one time. I didn't realize that it wasn't snapped in, so I actually went into the contraction and it freaking damn near pulled this apart entirely. So yeah, just watch out for that. Make sure it's all snapped in. So you snap this, if it was working, right, into here. All right, so the fisheye hook. Now, you see this here? Last year, or yeah, was it last year? Yeah, this dude, the pandemic just throws everything off. Last year I actually pulled, at the end of the 4 months, I finally pulled it out. I felt it giving the last couple weeks before I finally did, but I ended up pulling out. So what you do is you hammer it in a little bit, and then you take a lever and you keep on wrenching it in until you're able to screw it all the way down into here. So this is where it's poking out right there. This is where it was before I pulled it out. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. This is just for another one. These planks of wood here are for you to step on. So these are your platform, okay? So your feet will be here. Does that make sense? I have 2 of these here. Okay. I can't find the other chain. We were so busy moving stuff around in here, so I haven't been able to find it. But and I have another fisheye hook somewhere too as well. So once you have that set, you hook this in, and I'm just gonna use the small one. Now I have a much bigger snap hook for this. It's a huge one. But because we're using this one, all you do, look, that's it. Now, when you make it, now the problem with here is this little bit of balancing, because if you don't balance it right in the middle, it slides, okay? And the other problem, remember I said that I bent the first one, is because all that effort is going directly into the middle of the metal bar. So after a while, there was a slight bend in the bar and it just got worse and worse and worse. Cue the photo here, okay? So it does work, it will get you strong, but remember, there's no loading reflex. There's no loading reflex on this at all. You don't know how hard you're pushing, so you're just pulling or pushing as hard as you can for 6 seconds. Same protocol as the original isochain. Does that make sense? Like, do y'all see, like in the photo with Bruce Lee I showed you earlier, if you scroll back a couple of minutes on this video, you'll see how he was using it. So you see that, right? When he was doing the bicep curl. So it's the same concept. All the movements that I've shown on here and I've demoed on the actual Dragon Door isochain, you can do on here. Does that make sense? The only problem is there is no loading reflex. Now this costs, if we're talking about cost, like I said, this only costs $45. So if you have ordered the isochain, listen, I'm not an advocate. I'm getting paid zero. So if you want to get the isochain, but you're just waiting to save up a couple dollars for it, which I totally understand, that's fine. What I recommend you do so you get used to everything in the meantime is go get an OG one. For the bench, right, I've already explained how to set this one up. If you haven't seen that video, here's a link right here. So the bench, at first, again, I didn't have, there's the isochain 1.0 here. So I didn't have that set up. I had the metal bar that I just showed you guys a couple minutes ago, right? So all you do is you sit inside and then you push up on the bar. And again, I showed that in that video that I just alluded to a couple seconds ago. So you want to check that out, make sure you watch that. Sorry for the basement's kind of a mess right now. We're doing a little renovating. I wanted to go over this with you because $500, listen, I get it, you know, that's an invest, that's half a stack. That's half a stack, yo. I understand not everybody could just be like, oh, sure. You know what I mean? Like, we got bills to pay and I understand. We understand. But listen, in the meantime, if you have been following the channel, if you're a No Limit Squad member and you want to get those gains, listen, I highly recommend picking this up. Go ahead and invest. It's not spending, it's investing into your body. It's investment. Something that improves the quality of your life, that's an investment. Spending money on dumb crap that does nothing but detract from your life, that's a liability. So an investment, get this for now, get it. I am recommending that if you don't have the Dragon Door isochain, get this, get it, make sure you get it. $45. I will leave in the description box exactly what pieces that you need to make this, okay? And what this will do, like I said, it'll really help with the mind-muscle connection, because I came into the actual Dragon Door isochain with a little bit of a leg up because I knew, one, a lot of the exercise already as I was reading the isometric manual the entire time in 2020 until I finally got the isochain. Also, you could just flow right into it. Now, again, biggest problem with this, it doesn't have the loading reflex. Listen, the Dragon Door isochain will always, always, always be superior to this. It will always be superior to this. The base plate is fantastic. The spring is fantastic. The tear on the machine part, where it's factoring in the weight of the chain, that does make a difference because clearly that weighs something, right? So that's already factored in. Listen, the electronics are worth the money. There are very few things that I feel comfortable like recommending to people in life, like without doing my research. Guys, I mean, if you've been following me since day one, I think you know already that it's been proving itself with not only myself, but also my clients, and it will for eventually millions of people in the future once they realize how much of a product this really is. Factor in that the industrial grade chain, the bar, the grip on the bar, the improvements to the loading hook. To be honest, I really think there's going to be another improvement at some point. A travel bag would be nice. Travel bag. But then you got all the modes and stuff too. The two modes really geared towards hypertrophy and the two modes geared towards strength. I feel like I'm selling this and I'm really not trying to. It's still just like October 6th when I first started the channel. I'm still excited about it. It's just too good. It's too good of a product. It's too good. But the point of this video is, if you haven't yet gotten that, go out, grab this. About 45 bucks, guys. About 45 bucks. It is an investment that, in my opinion, is money well spent. Because if you don't have your health, what do you have? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to drop a like, comment, and if you're not yet part of the No Limit Squad, hey man, we blowing up right now, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come join the squad with us. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.